It's a storm coming. Boom, 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 boom.
What's up, man? We back with another video. Wait, it's T with the glasses. It's T with the glasses. Yes, sir. When I take my glasses off, they be getting kind of blurry, so I'm gonna keep them on so I can see a McFlurry. Yeah. All right, man. You know the ring light bouncing off these glasses, but that's okay though, cause I got a drink for y'all today. Let's get into this box, man. You read the title, you know what's going on. Let's get into this box. Here we have a special treat from the people at Aporro. Let's take a look. Now this is the new Cuban. You feel me? Pause. Before we go any further, I want to let y'all know that you know I'm the GOAT. So I got a special discount code. It's only for 48 hours. You hear me? Did you hear me? Let me say it again. From the time you see this video, you can only use this code for 48 hours. 2 days. Two days, the only time you get to use this code. And you'll get 15% off this they brand new Cuban. I'm finna show you. New and improved. They actually hand set the stones, over 320 of them. Had to make sure I tell y'all that. And to top it off, you can get a custom clasp. It's like different. You gonna see. It's different clasps that you can get, and you can design your own clasp if you want to. You know, some people not gonna do all that, but if you one of those and you want to, you can design your own clasp, bro. And they'll let me take out the plastic. I'm tweaking. But yeah, though, I had to get the little discount code for y'all boys. You know, I gotta do something for y'all boys, man. I can't just keep making the jury videos, and you know what I'm saying, I don't be getting no discounts for y'all. I feel okay. I got you, bro. Got you with the discount. And I know how I feel about taking this plastic off, so I'm definitely gonna cut the video until I can take this joint all the way off. This joint be hard, bro. Real rough. Alright, so now that we got this in the box, don't worry, I'm gonna add the close-ups for you. But let me show you this class. I want to focus on this class, okay? Look at this. Focus. It's not. Don't worry. You'll see it with the close-ups. Alright, let's open up the class though, because this is it. Yeah. Let's look at the inside of the class. Yup, iced out on the inside of the clasp too. Look at the back, little Aporro stamp on the back. I gotta show y'all. I don't even know why I'm showing the camera like this in front of the ring. The symbol on the clasp. This is what can be customized. You can literally customize it, literally. And there's different ones you can pick for. Now look at this clasp. I'm gonna show you this clasp. This is how you put it on. You open it. Put this right here, right? It lines up perfectly. You just close it. You feel me? Like, you just close it and boom. On my wrist, this the old Cuban design. Like I said, this is the brand new one with hand set stones. The one I'm showing y'all, this Cuban hand set stones, is going to bust. Period. It's hand set stones. If you don't know what that means, Google it. Hand set stones. This is regular class. You just put it in like this, poop, and then you close them. But this one, new and improved. See what size they sent me. You feel me? Let's see what size we talking about. Throw that on. Oh, it's about like a 20-inch. Cool little 20-inch Cuban. You know, if I was at school and I was going to a party and I wanted to throw it, I'm gonna give you an idea real quick. I wanted to throw this on real quick and I was gonna go to a little party, you know. I'd probably throw on a little fit like these. They like, T, why you pick the black skinnies? Why you put the black skinnies with the rips on, T? Why them? Why you pick them? You know what? Why not the black skinnies? Oh, they like, T, why you pick them 11s? Why you ain't pick no different 11s? Why you got on all black with white 11s? Cause when you go to the party, you gotta have an offset of colors, you feel me? You gotta have some pop on you feel me? So if somebody look at you, they gonna see bling! Then they gonna look down, they gonna be like, oh, and his shoes clean too? But yeah, you know me, man. New Cubans up. Make sure you use the 15% off discount code, okay? It's only for 48 hours. You know what? If you don't use it, I'm not mad at you, bro. I really don't care. But if you do use it, you're a smart man. Anything that save you money is good. So 15% off, only for 48 hours. Get your new Cuban. Yes, sir. Other than that, more videos coming this week. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm doing too much.